A quick little thing on volume calculations. All right. Volume of any container is basically the area times the, or sorry, I guess I should break that down a little bit more. Basically, is going to be the length times the width, which will give you the area, times the depth. All right. So on a circle, our formula is pi r squared. All right. Pi for this class, we are going to use 3.14. All right. The r is radius times the radius. All right. A big mistake that often people make is they'll just go radius times 2. That is not right. That only works for one number. If this is 4 inches and then you divide it by half, it's 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and it doesn't matter whether you go 2, the radius times 2 or that. But always make sure you're using radius times radius, not radius times. This does not mean times 2. It means times itself. So if we use a number like 5 inches as being the diameter, all right, we take the 5 and we divide it by 2. All right, so we end up with 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. So if we do the math for this, we end up where we have 3.14 times 2.5 times 2.5 equals 19.625 inches squared. All right, that is finding the area. Let's keep it simple and make it easy for my math. Now let's say that we want to look and figure out the volume of that cylinder. Volume is taking, what we did is we discovered this would give us the area on a square. Well, we calculate the area of a circle, and now we're going to multiply it by the depth or the length of our cylinder, and we're going to come up with a volume. So the volume was going to take this two-dimensional item to a three-dimensional item. So if we make this 10 inches, all right, in length, we simply take the area of whatever I'm measuring and multiply it by the number of inches in length, which just means we're going to move this. So it would have a volume of 196.25 inches cubed. All right? That is how we are going to calculate volume of a cylinder. All right?